to be a hotel. But look what's right next to it. We got an old Mitsubishi. Wow, this is awesome. A 1980s Mitsubishi. Ah, it's got air conditioning in here. If my camera microphone gets blown by the wind, I apologize. Here are 7. Press down 1. The elevator itself is kind of a bit basic, but forget about the basic look. Check out these fixtures. Original Mitsubishi from the 1980s. It says it right there. We're gonna send this up to 7. I'll let you watch the indicator from the outside. And check this out. It's got the old bumper. There it goes. This elevator's got a nuisance call. Look at that indicator, it's punched in there, my gosh. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.